Happy birthday, bro! I just remember, malapit na palang birthday mo at binilan kita ng Cebu Atap since we're still here at Cebu Grand Hotel for our tour. Then, the peanut kisses. I bought this from, ano ba yun? Basta somewhere in Bohol. Because, ito yung pinaka-ano nila. Famous delicacy. Peanut kisses. Ito naman ang oliva. Ang kalamay with peanuts. Yun. Hindi ko pa siya natitikman. And syempre, Mr. Chips. Wala lang. Yan. Happy birthday. Thank you sa mga advices at tulong. Yun. Baba. Sana umuwi na kayo dito ni Ate Ning. Hi, Ning. At mag-bonding pa tayo soon. Tsaka tawag dito. Mag-photoshoot na. Excited. Yun. Happy birthday. And
Happy birthday.
Here's my friend, Mau. And Steph. So, yun. Happy